to the new video. Welcome to this beautiful fisheye view. I'm testing new GoPro 12 with Lens Max Mode 2.0. And also, here's my bike. Here's the new backpack. Here's my new pink tripod. It was 40 euros cheaper, so I said screw it, I'm going to save myself 40 euros, buy something else and have a pink tripod. But who cares, right? This photo backpack is really amazing. It's beautiful summer day here in Croatia, as you can see, and I'm going for a ride on my local hill. Actually, I'm on my local hill already. There is a new road going down there or here all the way to the top, and it's perfect. New asphalt. It's paradise. If you want to see that ride, check over here somewhere. Click over here and you will see the whole ride. All right. It's so weird. I haven't ridden my bike for almost 4 or 5 weeks. After that long trip, I had so much work to do. Finish few videos from the weddings. I'm finishing the commercial with watches and some new photos, so I didn't have any time to ride. Okay. And by the way, how this fish eye looks like. It's very similar to Ultra View, but anyways, let me give you an update about the channel. So, if my health is going to be okay, I am planning to focus really on this channel. I had so many questions about everything, about the bike, about the tires, about my trip, about my GoPro setup, about the camera, everything. So first I'm going to edit few videos from my last 2 trips and my longer 30-day trip on the Croatian coast. That is going to be amazing, trust me. If you didn't see the trailer, check it out over here somewhere. And after that I'm going to do a few reviews. I'm going to review this bike after 2 years. I'm going to review the tires. I'm going to review some of the equipment I have. A lot of reviews because you wanted. And basically nobody cares about traveling video, artistic videos. I wanted to ask you, how are you doing? What's going on? Do you ride? Is the season over for you? What kind of videos would you like to see? What kind of reviews would you like to see? What are you interested in? Do you want to know about the tires? Do you want to know about the bike? Do you want to know about the traveling? And next week, if the weather is going to be okay, I'm going to take a trip to beautiful and amazing Istra County here in Croatia. Fingers crossed that the weather is going to be okay next week. Hopefully. I think that these are the last days with this kind of dry and pretty warm weather. I mean, it's not warm, but for me this is perfect to ride. The best time to ride. Spring, early spring and late summer like this. And yeah, I'm going to look around a little bit. I'm going to drink some water over here. And yeah, let me know, guys, down in the comments below, what would you like to see in the next video. Let me know. Hit like, hit subscribe if you aren't already, and see you in the next one. And oh, and by the way, let me know how this fisheye looks to you. Peace, bye.